Hi guys, it's me from Zoe's Wonderful World of Toys, and today we are making Oobleck. And if you don't know what that is, it's where you put your hand in it's basically just a cornstarch and water mix, and you put your hand in slow, it sinks like water, but if you go really fast, try to punch it like that, it acts as a solid. So we're just gonna make that. And this clear bin is perfect so you guys can see. So I got my cornstarch. I'm not gonna add. My dad's making food, so that's what. My dad is making dinner. That's what that noise is, if you wonder. Oh well, we're just gonna pour it in. We're just gonna put that back in the cornstarch thing. See? It's back in. And now we're gonna add our water. Now we mix. Oh. See, there it is, except we need more cornstarch. Bad idea to put it back in the box, Zoe. Bad idea. Perfect. This is so cool. Dang it. I think we might be using the whole bag. Okay, we're just gonna keep mixing slowly. Okay, we must mix. You have to mix a lot. And you're gonna find some. Okay, this is looking very hard, but you have to have a lot of cornstarch. I think I had way too much water that's drowning it. Dang it. Oh, whoa. I think you can use like flour too. I don't want to have to go back to the store and buy cornstarch. For making. Whoa, that's a lot. Okay, not sure if you guys can see, but whoa. And then there's cornstarch on the table. Pieces. Must keep mixing. It's actually getting to Oobleck. Like, it's still kind of watery. That's my fault though. See, it's just like flour and stuff, and then you keep mixing. Okay. Yeah, I think we would need a lot more because it just sinks to the bottom. I'm gonna have to get more cornstarch. Like, I'm almost out. Because, like, that's all we have in the house. Oh no, that was a bad idea. I think this will be enough to actually make Oobleck. That should be it. Because it looks like all of the water is absorbed. Then you put your slow. Just kind of, okay, look. Goes in slow. Just going up fast, it's kind of difficult. Whoa. That is watery. There's all the cornstarch. Is this just going into a glue consistency? Okay. What the? Wait, does that say pure cornstarch? Oh my. I think we're just gonna have to grab it. Okay. More cornstarch.
Is it working?
Yeah, kinda, except I had it good, except it just literally turned to water and just, I think we might need more cornstarch.
So you probably did too much water?
Yeah. Shouldn't have added it all at the beginning. See, like it's Oobleck, except there's really watered down. If only we had a drainer. Oh wait, oops, that one didn't work either. Just gotta keep mixing it. Wait, it's actually pretty good. Oh my, whoa, 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 whoa.
Just add all the cornstarch.
Because we can buy more tomorrow.
It was only 80 cents.
Okay. Okay, we'll be buying more tomorrow. Yay! Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my goodness. That's like all the cornstarch without the crumbs. Whoa, look at that. Like there's a mound. Just cornstarch. Beware your hands do get dirty during this process if you decide to use your hands. I kind of think we need more water. Because it's like not getting covered up. Like, just kind of, yeah.
Are you still making the video?
Yeah. Okay, so yeah. This is what it is. It's kind of crumbly, kind of like Coach. She's kind of. Yeah, it has a measuring cup. It does kind of hurt your nails, but it's totally worth it. Whoa, Dad. It's like, that's good stuff.
Still need more water?
No.
Is it working?
Yeah, like, look at that. So if you do, and then it just drops. Like, look at this. So if I try to punch it, it acts as a solid. If I go in slow, okay. If I go in fast, it doesn't work. Oh, this is cool. Oh, I'm gonna break open the bag and actually get all of it. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but there's literally just a cloud of cornstarch. This is really cool.
Want to make it extra cheesy? Cheese on the bottom.
Look.
What?
Oh my goodness, it fell out of the container. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is like all out of the container. Oh wait, I'm seeing the bottom. And then okay. We're tilting it now.
Should be cooked.
Okay, so
together,
guys, I don't really think this worked. I don't feel like any Oobleck in it. Just water and stuff. Like, yeah, that is, whoa. That is a lot of, I think we'd need more cornstarch. So, yeah.
There should be 2 cups of cornstarch to 1 cup of water.
How much is it?
You told me to add the whole bag.
Yeah, now it's not
So you probably need more water.
cornstarch.
It's just water.
Oh, how much water did you use?
I did that, like, not even full to the top, and Dad added more.
Yeah, but
Like,
you can leave it sit and then we can add more cornstarch
Oh,
later.
yeah. Okay, this is going to wrap this up for this video. So make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And click the like button, comment down below. Have you ever made Oobleck and has it failed? This is so watery.
Okay.
Bye.